your girl Tiffany and welcome back to my channel. If you're enjoying my Chainsaw Man reactions, please remember to like the video, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon that's next to it because that alerts you when a new video has been posted. Also check out the description below because I put links to all my Chainsaw reactions, so you can find them all in one place. You can also find links to my socials. You can drop me a follow over there if you like, and I need you to leave your comments in the comment section. Guys, by doing everything that I've just listed, this lets YouTube know that you enjoy my content, therefore they'll push it out more. So last episode, woo, that was rough. The whole divisions have been practically taken out. They are all now going to merge under Division 4 with Makima taking control of it. I'm trying to figure out what kind of power Makima got that it, to me, she was saying, oh, this the department Kyoto is intimidating. I'm like, nobody more intimidating than you. And it's because of the way she looks, and her talking doesn't help. Even though she sounds very sweet, everything sounds like a threat coming out her mouth. To then, we've seen, I guess it's a contract she has with the devil, because they were saying with their level of security, they don't have the right to ask her what contract she has. And it requires her human sacrifices. So, she trouble. Over here acting like elf in the air. Child. I was trying to figure out which anime I was watching again. So then Kobeni coming from where she come from to look like she a badass when she get good and ready. But again, the question is, what pochita do to these people that they are after Denji like that? And it's how they're gonna get themselves back together, because at the end of the day, yes, Makima kinda took out everybody, but this team got so far as in destroying 4 divisions. So it's like, how are you going to regroup, and who else is gonna join? Because they're right, it's like you don't know when you're gonna die in this job, and that's really scary. So we're going on to episode 10, and it's called Bruised and Battered. Guess we're gonna see who all alive. That being said, let's jump into this reaction. Oh, the question I had, where Power went?
昨日午後、練馬駅前の練馬西大ビルで。やかましいわ。
There they are. Power!
そのリンゴよこせ。食わせろ。ダメだ。全部折れんだ。敵から逃げたやつに食わせるリンゴはね。
So she did run. Okay.
お腹が空いたから帰っただけじゃん。
四川。四川、誰が生き残ってる？
No.
小紅ってチビとメガネの男も生き残ったみたいだけ
The
ど、
shrimp.
公安やめたんだと。
Who's the shrimp?
パワコはマキマさんに呼ばれてるから帰るぜ。
見舞いの果物を食いに来ただけじゃ。
リンゴ1個だけ残しといてやるよ。
I feel so bad for Aki.
カス、俺はあと何年生きれる？
Oh, that's the question I did ask. Shit! 2 years! I feel so bad for Aki. You lost Himeno and then you told you only got 2 years to live. Child, you could have given me at least 5. Oh, Denji.
忘れた漫画取りに戻ったら泣いてんだけど。 バディの姫野も死んだわけだしな。あれ全然泣けねえんだけど。死んだ時は悲しかったな。
Did you know Himeno
死んでも
that long though?
ひどくね。
I don't think you got
母が
human
死んだら
feelings.
泣けるか。
No, I don't think you can cry
泣
anymore.
けねえかな。あいつが死んだら泣けねえな。
About Makima.
マキマさんが死んだら多分俺はしばらくへこむけど、
But you don't
3
cry.
日後には楽しく毎日を過ごせてると思うな。心臓だけじゃなく人の心までなくなっちまったのか。
I don't think you got human feelings anymore.
あれ泣いてた。
一回うちら出てく。マキマさんに頼まれて京都から得意4課を指導に来ました。
そのリンゴ食べていいですか。
と今回のでデンジ君が敵勢力に狙われている。
なんか指導してくれるんですか。
残念だけど私は忙しくなっちゃうから指導するのは彼だよ。
The voice, the character with my voice actor, my favorite voice actor. Uh
黙れ。
oh.
俺の質問に答えろ。我が死んでどう思った？
別
なんけ
に
死んだと思った。
敵に復讐したいか？
No.
復讐とか暗くて嫌いだね。
わしも。
お前たちは人と悪魔どっちの味方だ？
Ooh.
俺を面倒見てくれる方。
勝ってる方。
お前たち100点だみたいのはめったにいない。大好きだ。
怖い。
You should have frightened.
マキマさん。
俺は得意一家でデビルハンターをやってる。やると気持ちよくなれるから先生と呼んでくれ。
Okay.
まあ酒と女と悪魔を殺すことだ。
Nice to know. Bitch! Bitch! Bitch, you strong! Nah, you can't hug me. You can't ever hug me. No.
首の骨を俺は動けなくなる。人間様と違うのは
It's that you heal.
飲めば復活するとこだな。
Jesus.
何しやがる。
なぜか知らんが銃の悪魔に狙われている。なのにお前が簡単にやられる雑魚だから困るんだろうな。
Damn.
なんでさっきわしらを
アルコールにやられたのでついにひらめいた。俺は最強のデビルハンターだ。最強の俺を倒せる悪魔は最強なわけだから、倒せるようになるまで俺はお前たちを狩り続ける。
Yeah.
頭が終わっておる。
His brain is diseased.
あ
Yeah, I suggest y'all take him seriously.
再会だ。
デンジ。
Ooh! Nigga!
男の方は不死身、魔人の方は半分不死
The
身。
fiends
と
mostly.
っさに人の頭をぶん殴れる脳みそを持って
So why
二
is
人に人権はない。
Denji fully mortal and she's
俺は
not
ガキ
fully
の頃から
mortal?
力が強くておもちゃをすぐ壊しちまう。おもちゃが欲しかったんだ。俺がお前たちを最高に生かした奴らにしてやる。
Okay, I'm looking forward to this. But they're bleeding out.
コン
Oh god, don't tell me last con.
ほら出てけえへんやろ。君は狐を無茶に使って嫌われた。
Ah,
もう二度と狐は使わせてもらえへんやろうね。呪いの悪魔のやつやろ。それもあとどれくらい使えんの。
we ain't using it no more.
指導ってのはそういうことか。
謹慎やけど 今回の事件でやめ時やと思いましたけど、
I kind of agree.
実際もっと強い悪魔と契約して得意化に貢献してもらわなあかんみたいです。
たやつもバディを殺したやつもまだ生きてる。なんでやめれるんですか？
Oh Lord, Aki. Crazy as hell.
そうですか。わかりました。
But we need some years though. 2 years?
じゃあ今日はもう遅いんで帰りますわ。来てますよ。じゃ、ごゆっくり。
Who cares to visit? Who that is? I hate when they do that. Like, answer my question.
明日家に迎えに行くからな。
Oh God. They look so terrified. Cha. Thank you.
頭が故障しておる。なれ
Hitting me will not heal it. Oh, it did. Oh, my bad, Paula.
今日何回殺された？
About 100?
10回以上じゃ。
Okay.
ウヌが死んだ時、だいたいわしも気絶しとるから、正確にはわからん。
And they gotta walk home, Lord. Lord, I feel bad for them.
じじい強すぎじゃ。一緒に逃げるか？
逃げたら公安から逃げたことに。あのアルチェやろ。俺たちをおもちゃ扱いしやがってよ。マジでムカついてきたぜ。
Well, prove to him you're not toys. Uh-oh.
酒で頭がダメになっておる。わしらは頭を使って戦えばいいんじゃ。
But you both dumb.
俺も最近めちゃくちゃ憧れてたぜ。戦えたらいいなってよ。
The irony.
頭脳であいつをぶっ殺すか。
The two dumbest characters go outsmart somebody. Alright, let's see it.
ウヌもか。
あいつらの家は確か。
The man drinking
こ
still.
の血の匂いは。
俺たちの日常を
Not these two with glasses to get out and make them smarter. Damn! He dodged that bad boy.
修正しやがって今度は俺が絡む。
Okay, they're a little bright. Ooh! They're a little bright. I like it. He sees you now. Damn.
今までで一番良かったぞ。
I give it to them. That was a smart way.
頭を使う、もっと頭を使え。
I get that. That was a good attempt.
ラインは2つ。
Okay, what's the reason?
パワーは今の戦い方だと血を使いすぎて本体が
Oh
貧
shit.
血が俺の攻撃を予測できなかったとか良かったからもう終わりだ。
Hey.
俺は飲みに行く。
At least we done for the day.
パワーか。もう終わりだって。
ラッキーじゃ。
Oh, never mind. Oh, he's an asshole. He's such an asshole.
獣が狩人の言葉を信用するな。
Oh, you an asshole. Oh, where are we? Nah, man, this couldn't go a little faster?
もらうっちゅうことは結構むごい契約内容になると思いますけど。
仕事に復帰したらライオンの檻に飛び込むんです。
Lord, what can I give though? I won't give nothing up. For more contracts, can't even use the fox. Fox ain't want to come out no more.
ここには公安が生け捕りにした悪魔たちがぶち込まれてる。
So they physically capture these devils. Okay.
けど昨日の美人、彼女さんですか？
すぐそういう話やめな。
Jesus. Y'all need to mind y'all damn business. Y'all don't know y'all.
妹の方です。
Ah.
じゃあ殴られました？
もらいました。
手紙？
So she wrote a letter before she died. Letters! He didn't know he was in love with her. She was in love with him. Why they walking like that?
この部屋にいる悪魔とアキ君は契約して
What's the give me more than that? What is the devil? It's the few. What?
公安でこいつと契約している人は一人は寿命半分、もう一人は両目と味覚、嗅覚を差し出している。
Nah, I good. I good.
気に入られれば安く済みますよ。
I good. I mean, I want it. I good. You hear me? I ain't got the lifespan to give it. Me ain't got the sight or taste to get. I could give you pain. I give you my pain sensory. That's the only thing I could give up. Everything else, no. It had to be an eyeball, didn't it? Wow. What an episode. What an episode. Denji and Power in for hell. They're just absolute hell they are in. My man, they be killing them. I ain't gonna lie. That strategy that they came up with was pretty good. But he did tell him the flaws. It's like, well, if Power used too much blood, she gonna turn anemic, therefore she can't keep it up for too long. And then Denji kind of just like didn't anticipate that attack would happen if he just and freeze there. So, but it was a good try. But then even I got tricked as he was like, I give you the day off for completing that. My man chuck a knife in their head, in Denji's head. He's like, you're an idiot to believe that a hunter like me would leave a beast like you alone. But it's when he break their neck, like you, how strong you gotta be to break somebody's neck like this, like how strong you gotta be. So he as crazy as Makima, it seems. And then y'all leave my boy Aki alone. How you didn't know the facts that he could have figured out the facts there, because from the guy's explanation last time, she like pretty faces, so she'll eventually forgive Aki. Man only got 2 more years. He got 2 more years. And you're not giving him a new contract to go with the devil. The devil made contracts with only 2 other people. One, he asked for half their lifespan. I'm guessing that person had a healthy dose of lifespan left to make half. Over here sounding like Death Note. And then the next one lost sight and taste. Why you want Aki to give up, huh? He ain't got the lifespan. He only got 2 more years. We really can't give up sight right now, cause how we gonna know he killed the well, I know he gonna know, but we really don't want to be giving up bodily things. Like, can you just like me and say, hey, yeah, I'll give you a one? What are you gonna ask Aki for? Well, you could take I guess smell. You want to take that? I don't mind smell. I could deal with all the smells of things. Maybe talk. Maybe like just be a mute. I could take that. I give you sign language. Child, I'm stressed out. This anime is only episode 10, and the last 4 episodes just stressed everything out. It's like I don't know where this anime going. Oh, child. It's like this anime. I mean, this episode there was really no fighting unless you continuing on the training arc. But everything that you're learning right now is stressing you out as though there was a fight just now. That's what it feels like. But that being said, if you enjoyed my reaction, please remember to like the video, hit that subscribe button, leave your comments in the comment section. And remember, a like, a sub, a comment, a share of this video goes a long way in expanding this channel. And I thank you guys so much for your support. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.